Okay, it's morning. Time to school. Alright, class. Today is doing math. Okay, you. What's 1 plus 1? It's 2. Good job. That's right. Go to the principal's office right now to be proud. Oh, hey, you. What brings you here? I got a math rumble night. Good job. Good job for getting math from the light. That's it. You're grounded. Let's go to your parents' house. Let's call your parents right now. Mimi, good job for getting math from the light. That's it. You are ungrounded you forever. You can do whatever you want. Man, I'm so boring today. What should I do? I know. I'm gonna push the person in the swing. Yay! I'm gonna swing! Yay! Yay! Yeah! Yay! 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 Now here's my chance. Yay! Ouch! Ouch! Mom, come over here. What's the matter, my son? Ouch! Hurt me. My leg hurts. Take me to hospital. Okay. And you person, how they pushed my son. That's it. I call your parents. Oh my gosh, son. How they push the person in the swing. That's it. You're grounded forever. Go to your room right now. Man, I'm so boring today. What should I do? I know. I'm gonna watch TV for a moment. Hey, Mimi. Yes, Dad, I'm busy. I'm watching TV. Can I please in a minute? No, we're going to McDonald's today. Yay! McDonald's! I like McDonald's! Yay! Now, let's go to the hall. Welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you? I would like French fries, a burger, and a pie, please. And I would like a chocolate milkshake, please. I'm sorry, but chocolate milkshake salt. What? Are you kidding? Don't feel bad. How about a strawberry milkshake instead? Okay, can I have a strawberry milkshake, please? Okay. That will be $10. Here you go. Thank you. Your food will be soon. Here's some food for you. When they got home. Wow, Mimi. Good job for misbehaving like McDonald's. That's it. You're ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want.